Yeah, so my country people, I agree to now. Chelsea 2 and Arsenal 2. We get Oga Shozi will be Ogbonga person. Ogbonga Arsenal for make tell us about how you see this game. Oga Shozi, when I interview you and ask you to predict this game, you predict say Arsenal go win this game 2-0. Say Chelsea leg, the leg never strong for guarantee. Be like say they never mature reach to play Arsenal. But it can't be like saying that them won't even break Arsenal face. If not, be say Arsenal can't fight back, come back for a draw. How you see this match?
Well, first and foremost,
Because Chelsea fans they wait you.
Mona listen to me. You get when I say 2-0, I really mean my 2-0. But the formation, wetin I really expect Arteta to use when I take predict that 2-0 not being called bring come. You get
Who missed for the formation?
na party I miss, and I dey read the feel say probably the for rest Martinelli or Saka before. You get I not really put those two for my first 11 for this match, but the coach get his own way. Then secondly again, I don dey miss Ramsdale. You dey get me? I don dey miss Ramsdale. I don't really know how it really be for other people view, but for me, I don dey miss Ramsdale.
So to you, what you they talk now, Oga Shozi? You won't see Ramsdale back as Arsenal number one because to you, Raya never convinced you.
Ryan never convince me. You know why? Ryan do one great save wey be say even Ramsdale clap, but he get some save wey be say Ramsdale make last season. E be like say one na against Manchester United, and all that one again. He get one quick rebounds and the rest. So and I not see the boy error when he make last season. Not be make us lose the league last season. Arteta na him make us lose the league last season. You dey get, so you know say injury go come at the dying minutes when before the season go end. You not be sign those quality players, those players wey go full stand even though they are not quality enough. Not be Ramsey make us lose last season. Make dem go check the boy, the goals wey be say the boy concede last season, and check other top goalkeepers. Dem make dem see am. Ramsey never do anything, so make e no put am on Ramsey for that body. And one mistake wey Arsenal dey always dey make, I don't really know wetin we get with all that. This one another topic on its own. I don't know wetin we get when it comes to selling our goalkeeper. We go sell our goalkeeper, go Fulham. We go sell our goalkeeper, go give Aston Villa. We go sell our goalkeeper, go give who again? All our goalkeeper na so England we dey sell and give. And me and you know say Ramsey like this now, so he cannot.
They put time for a body for January.
They put am for January. And if we lose this one now, you can't pay us like the way Martinez for Aston Villa be. Sure, you dey understand me. So kudos to Chelsea. You get. I drew to a better side. You understand? I drew to a better side. We are London brothers, so it is nothing. You know, you take one, I take one. At least they don't suffer since. If they use us, say take 1 point, it's not a bad thing.
So far you talk say at all you still carry 1 point go out. So far for the Premier League, Arsenal still dey unbeaten. Arsenal dey among the teams we never lose. With Tottenham Hotspur, if I dey very correct. You still dey confident as an Arsenal fan say Arsenal go challenge the Odidigbo for this league of this division, Manchester City this season.
Bro, when people dey call me this season, they talk, I dey tell them say, una see me, I be Arsenal fan. But una see that title race, I no go jump. You know why? You see last season, you see few matches before season end, now we use to lose that league. Last 2 seasons, few matches too, now we not take play Champions League. So to me, until we lift that trophy up, before me I go talk say Arsenal came to win it this 2023/2024. But for now, I no predict Arsenal to win that league. You get, until those error don't change. And make Arteta listen to me again. Arteta, Ramsdale not be our error for last season. Now players wey get injury wey you not gree replace for January, Now be the error wey we get last season. Because how we say we buy those players the last season, even though say they not be world class player, but na players so they go fit hold their position. You don't understand? So if na those players then we for win that league. So Arteta, Ramsdale is not our problem. Ryan is not a bad goalkeeper. And you know say you cannot keep those two good people. And I don't want make you lose the best to our rival.
So I want to ask you about Arsenal attackers for the game now. We see say Gabriel Jesus not to get chance for the game. Even Eddie Nketiah when come, he still try better too. Still try. But you think so waiting this Arsenal team they miss right now. Now striker if you give them maybe 20 goals a season. You think so now waiting this Arsenal team they miss right now? Because without the year links between Arsenal, say Arsenal they put time for Ivan Toney, Arsenal they put time for Victor Osimhen. You think say waiting the team they miss now? Now that 20 goal striker.
See, each club get the way they take they do their thing. If you look Arsenal, correct me if I'm wrong, Arsenal will not spend 100 million on a striker currently.
But Arsenal spend 105 for midfielder Declan Rice.
No, na midfield, that na midfield, na striker they talk. And I get why they talk. I say Arsenal no fit, they no fit spend.
So you not believe that the club go fit shock you?
No, make I tell you why I talk like that. See, we dey play game now with our strikers. So even when our with our wingers, so even when our striker no dey even dey score goal, we no dey too dey feel am. You dey get me? So I no see Arsenal signing anybody 100 million, even though they score 40 goals a season. Because Arsenal believe on wing football more. Because Martinelli they try, Bukayo Saka sef they try.
But not be every game your wingers go fit deliver now. Because today we see am against Chelsea, say they lock Saka and Martinelli for that game.
You know say there was a time when we say Chelsea, now midfield they take they score. Even when they get up 9. There was a time where we say Chelsea, now 9 they take they score. There was a time where we say now 11 they take they score. And all these people that when they count for you so, and they talk about the likes of the Lampard, I talk about the Hazard, I talk about the likes of the Drogba, the Costa. So now be waiting me at the top. Waiting at the see, I dey see am say I dey see am say Arsenal dey play the game from wing. So even though we go sign striker sef, not be big money striker. You understand me? Left for me, I'm okay with Gabriel Jesus. Why I say so is because the boy not be that box to box striker. The boy, na player, na striker wey be say dey fight for ball. He dribble, he dey try for race, he dey open. You dey get me? So sometimes we not even dey plan for now, we dey plan for wing, he dey see dey deliver. Those say in order to bring out the A game as a striker. You dey understand me? So if we go sign, let's sign. Because me sef I need goal.
So Ivan Toney or Victor Osimhen?
Wait now, what is Ivan Toney to do now? No. I like the boy. You dey get me? Osimhen is better. Why I say Osimhen is better? Head control, he gets am. Jump, he gets am. He dey open in the position, and we get winger, we get old digger, we get Martinelli wey will give am the ball. You understand me? So I will go for Osimhen anytime, any day. Not because I be Nigeria person, but because of those qualities when I just mentioned now.
So Arsenal next game now against Sevilla, for the UEFA Champions League. Now, what do you expect from Arsenal for that game? Because we know say their last Champions League game against Lens, then lose them. What do you expect from the team, and what will be your score prediction?
I want to tell Arteta something.
You dey always against something to tell Arteta.
Now be the coach. If team lose, now the coach that they blame. If team lose, now the coach that they blame. If they win, now the players that they bring come outside. So make Arteta listen to me carefully. That Lens game will go lose. I don't know how he play the gamble pass. Arteta should stop gambling. Arsenal don't big pass wetin that they try players. You go play this one today, you not go play this one tomorrow. You go change formation, you not go do this. It is over. Let's play like Man City. Let's play like Mourinho. this is what I'm doing, this na wetin I wan do, this na wetin I want. Always come for results, not come for trial by error. Sevilla no be small people. They draw Madrid today. We know your record. You understand? And we not go see forget our record against Spanish division. Sure, you understand me? So no matter what Arsenal won't play, they should not lose that match. And I not lie for you, I not see Arsenal to win.
Score prediction.
Score prediction a draw. Whether na 1-1, whether na 2-2, whether na 10-10, I dey see am to be draw. Because of wetin I see today for the game. Chelsea play pass us, so I dey use am till they read our Champions League game.